Boy, does your house have too many steps? Is the yard too big? Are you sick of keeping it clean? Um, there are a lot of times that people start asking themselves the question, is it time to move from the house that I've been in, sometimes for years or decades? Um, and I think that often we keep putting off that question because we're afraid that somebody's going to try to pressure us into making a decision, making a move before we'd be ready to. The alternative, though, is waiting until you fall down those stairs and then you've got a crisis that you have to deal with. So, my name is Roxane Webster. I'm with my home team at Keller Williams Advantage. I'm not only a real estate agent, but I'm a real estate planner. And I think that the key to having a good outcome is to have a good plan. I'd love to sit down with you and have a conversation about what the next step is in your housing, and help you develop a plan, whether that's a year, 5 years, 10 years, doesn't matter to me. I'm just passionate about making sure that we get that plan in place so that you get the best outcome and so that you do it in a time where you're making decisions without feeling pressured. Look forward to speaking with you.